So I'm going to show you how to make this very simple daisy flower. You can add it to a headband or a keyring or make a nice spring wreath. Start off working into a magic circle with the yellow. Make 8 single crochet stitches into magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now close your circle. And the next round we will be making 8 increased stitches. So into each of single crochets you'll be making 2 single crochet stitches. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Before you finish your last one, change over to your colour white. And then you can cut over yellow. And you'll be working with white. Slip stitch into next stitch. And chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you'll be working back. You'll skip the first stitch from the hook and you'll be working back into every chain all the way back to the yellow, making a half a double crochet into each of the chains. So you'll be making 9 altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you will be repeating the same pattern all the way around. So skipping the first chain, making 9 half double crochet stitches all the way back towards the middle of the flower. When you've completed all your petals and you reach back to the beginning, you should have 16 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You just slip stitch back into the very first stitch fast enough and cut your yarn and you can now just sew in these ends, or you can use them to attach your flower to your wreath or a headband or a hat. And there you go, one little daisy.